Hello guys, welcome to the new Salsa Challenge, the Acuyuye, the DLG. All right, I learned this choreography for one of my favorite instructors, is Fernando Sosa from Tropical Young in Italy. So I hope you guys like it. At the beginning, I do not have a counts, so I just gonna like sing. Sorry for that. All right, but just follow me. I'm gonna go slow, step by step. All right. So all you have to do is repeat the steps over and over again. Yeah, I guarantee soon you're gonna have this choreography, right? So it's very simple. So I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Of course, this is gonna be with a jump, but be careful with that jump so you don't hurt yourself. So when I do is jump, 1. So that way, at the same time that I step, I tap with the right foot, crossing, right? Just for styling, I'm gonna kind of put point with my right finger up. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right. So repeat it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. From here with the left foot, I'm gonna tap crossing with the toe. Right. You're gonna step with the left foot. All right. So let's try to use that part. 5, 6, 7. Go and go. Ta 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 ta. You know here for the start, notice that I'm gonna tap with the heel. I'm gonna put my leg straight, kind of pointing up with my toe. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pa, 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 pa. All right, and you're gonna hear me not count, you're just kind of going with the melody of the song, because that's how is this. Right, this is based on the sounds of the melody in the song, so it's no counts for this. All right, all right. So from this part, I kind of facing to the corner of the left room, right? My waist in my right foot, yeah, tapping with the left heel. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step back with the left, forward my right, forward my left, right? So if we go like this here, tan, 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 right? Yeah, in the last part, I'm gonna step with my right foot. So if I'm here, I go back, forward, forward. Notice that at this point, I kind of I go from facing the corner to the center of the room. I step pointing to the right corner in my right side. I'm gonna kick with my left foot. And when I go down, I'm gonna put it down here, but at the same time, I'm gonna slide with the right leg. So I'm gonna kick, slide. All right? So let's go from here. All right? I'm gonna go back, forward, forward, and place, kick, back, down. You see? Kick, down. Right? Go to the next part here. I'm gonna step. It's almost like I'm gonna do like air. Imagine somebody throw a soccer ball to you, and you're gonna kick it with the left leg. So I'm gonna make the illusion I'm about to kick. And with the same hand, I do the same motion. So that way it's like the balls come to you. You're gonna kick it really hard, but you don't kick, all right? So you just use style. I go here. So what I'm gonna do, this is an exercise I want you guys to do over and over again so you get it. Your waist is gonna be to your right, all right? It is gonna help you to do the next step. I'm gonna cross with my left and press with my right, side with my left and press with my right. So I'm gonna do this over and over again. So I want you guys to do this as an exercise, all right? So you're gonna do it super small as a way that you have a speed. All right? Notice that I kind of twist my hips to go side to side, so that way you go faster and faster, 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 faster. Every single time I transfer my weight. You can see this? All right? So in the last part, you go in here. And when you're about to kick, I'm gonna do the next step. That's why you do exercise, then go ta 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 boom. Okay? So you're gonna go cross and place, side and place and crossing. Of course, you're gonna do faster. Ta 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 ta. All right? First, I'm gonna shake at the same time that I raise my knee. All right? And then I'm gonna hook. All right? Notice that I'm gonna twist a little bit, not too much. All right? And then I'm gonna turn to my left. Make sure you keep your weight in your left foot, right? And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna tap with the right leg, then I'm gonna go down, right? Notice that I'm gonna push, pull, move. It's like going around with your shoulder going back, all right? And then with your head and your chest, all right, you make kind of like a circle to kind of do like a hammer motion. It don't have to be big, all right, but you go pam, pam, all right? To follow the melody, you go pam, pam, all right? All right? Always looking that way. Even my body facing the way, always going to looking forward, right? Because the audience is on this side, all right? So you see how it looks like. I'm gonna go tan 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 ta 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 tan 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 tan. All right. That's we're in this part. All right. Now from here, I'm gonna switch my weight to my right foot. All right. You're gonna go forward and back. It's from here I go side together. But I keep my weight in my right foot and I don't switch it. Yes, I put some weight here to gonna go to the side and then I come back here. But at the same time, I'm gonna move the shoulders back to back. So go left, right, left. Ta, ta, ta. All right? So from here, I'm gonna go pa, pa, pa. I'm gonna step with the left foot. I'm gonna push myself to great momentum with my upper body. It's like you're gonna elbow someone with this right elbow to create a quick spin in my left leg. All right? You're gonna do as a way I aim with my weight in my right leg. All right? So I'm gonna push. Make sure keep your body straight. All right? I'm spotting this way. I hook, and then I let my body continue it. All right? So your balance is gonna be okay in the part. All right? Don't just do this, right? Because you're gonna get this. Right? So, body go first, head finished, and then body's finished. Right? I go with this part, ta 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 ta. Right? Now I'm gonna put my weight in my right leg. This is what I'm gonna do with the left leg. I'm gonna go around. All right? I go around so I can go turn the corner. All right? So what's this? I'm gonna go ta 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 ta. All right? So the goal is here is that soon as I finish my spin in the left leg, I spin. Here I switch right away the weight to my right leg when I kind of facing to this corner. And then I move it around to end facing to this corner. All right? So the pieces is shoulder first. Now my waist in my left, spin, leg sweep around. Right? So that I end facing to this corner. All right? So as soon as this leg gets here, I'm gonna do kind of like a cha-cha-cha, starting with the left leg. Cha-cha-cha. All right? All right? So you go sweep, cha-cha-cha. All right? You're gonna start with the left cha-cha-cha, so you end with your weight in the left foot. All right? Imagine that you're gonna grab something and twist it. But first, I'm gonna do that at the same time when I step forward with my right. So I'm gonna go grab, and then I'm gonna like pull, like twist. You're gonna get like bigger, grabbing air, right? So I'm gonna hear, then I'm gonna take out the air, like somebody punch you in the belly twice. So I'm gonna hear, pum, pum, right? Just to follow the beat of the music, all right? So you slide, all right? Soon as this foot get hit facing to the corner, cha, 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 grab, at the same time that you step forward, you go, pum, pum, all right? So I'm gonna do two beats or hit two accents to the music, and I'm gonna travel to my left. So I'm gonna go back to the side, cross forward, all right? So to follow the beat, I'm gonna go pam, pam, pa, 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 all right? So all I do is like, I move like gray band, all right? So I'm gonna go cross and cross, all right? So my leg is in the front, the right foot, all right? So I'm gonna switch it to the left, all right? Now my upper body is gonna be facing this way. I'm only gonna twist my hip to the back, to the front. All right? But you see my upper body is still facing this way. All the parts are twisting my hip. So I go here, I step forward, boom, pam, pam, pa, pa, pam. All right? All right? And then to finish this section, all I'm gonna do is extend my left leg and looking down. All right? So in the last part, I'm gonna hit pam, pam, pa, pam, pam. All right? You notice this kind of like a pause before you extend the leg. So don't do it everything together. Don't go pa, 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 boom, no? So I'm gonna go here, follow the melody, I'm gonna tan, tan, ta, ta, tan, pause, tan, tan, all right? And to there gonna be the first section of this choreography. So I hope you guys like it. Please, all you have to do is repeat this over and over again so you can get it, all right? And I'm gonna add at some point a close-up of my feet doing all this part, all together from the beginning or to the end, or just this section, all right? You're gonna find them here in the website. So first you're gonna find this video, is the first video, then below these videos, I'm gonna add another one. Just focus in the feet so you can follow the footwork or the shines, okay? All right, ladies, guys, I hope you guys start getting it. You like this choreography from Fernando Sosa, Acuyuye, the DLG, that's the name of the band. It's a really old school song, I love it, all right? So I'm sure you're gonna like it. So if you have any question, please contact me and we will try to help you for any part that you might be stuck, all right? So, all right, guys, ladies, take care, see you next time.